Alrighty guys, hey, it's Wild. I'm back here with a new video. Today I am opening up not just one, but three Blazing Dominion boxes. These are the ones you can get at like Walmart, Target, things like that with the tokens. These are the tokens you have a chance of getting. I really would like the Jack Atlas, maybe the Yuri token. Soul Burner would be pretty cool. And I hope we pull something amazing out of these today. So let's get started. It would be nice if all three of my boxes would give me one of each of the tokens I just mentioned, which we have starting off here. We have a Yuri token. Sorry if I use the Japanese names, guys. I watched Arc 5 in subbed. I do prefer Arc 5 subbed versus dubbed. So let's see what the next one is. We got a Cyrus Truesdale token with his Jumbo Drilloid. All right, let's see if we can get a Jack Atlas. If not, there will definitely be some more of these openings on the channel. Oh, another Yuri. Alrighty. We got a couple good amount of packs now, though. Alright, let's get into it. In my Blaze of Dominion box opening, I ended up pulling the Starving Venom Wing Dragon, so I'm hoping to get maybe the Red Hypernova Dragon. Miracle Ejector. Anti-GMX Final Experiment. Another Starving Venom Wing Dragon. I don't know if I need the second one, but it's always nice to see this guy. Enia Craft, Etel Spile. We got Plundered Power Patron Plane Vidola. We got a Heck of Hands Mancubel Buell. Ooh, nice. I heard this guy was pretty good. The Phydraelis Harmonia. Definitely going to have to sleeve him up. Let me get that real quick. Alrighty, and I'm back, and here we are. At one point, he was like over $100. I don't know what he is at the moment, but definitely a really good hit. Night Train Blue Traveler. Nice. Oh, Clown Crew Flare. Oh, sorry, I didn't show those last couple cards. Another Breach Boral Dragon. All right, second to last pack. Upside down card. Fairy Tale Matsugiri. Last pack of magic. Can we get something amazing here? Just a heavy armored knight, Babel Decker, as I can't pronounce it. So nothing too good. I mean, we did hit this, so that's pretty good. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.